then progressive,
Progressed
and then
moon.
Saturn, we need that. There
Fine
you go.
transit. It's sitting in conjunction 4 degrees of Uranus, again setting off a perfect square to his natal Mars at 18 degrees Taurus,
Aye.
which is conjunct Mercury at 20 degrees of and Jupiter at 23 degrees of Taurus, but was in favorable trine to Venus, his mate. Interesting, huh? His mate survived that. Every chart used in these exams, I don't need to talk about that. Okay, so transit Saturn is sitting in conjunction 4 degrees of Uranus. Let's go back and look at it. Transit Saturn is sitting right here, 17 degrees of Aquarius. Just shy of being conjunct his natal Uranus at 23. Okay, which is squaring off exactly to these planets. In other words, this triggers this square. Unexpected violence in a car, Mercury, from a long journey that he went on, Jupiter. Exact square to the house of death. And this is triggering that point. Transit Saturn is exactly setting off another cross. So what's the odds? 28 years to get there. Huh?
Unbelievable.
28 years to get there. I mean, I don't, you know, this here, 23 degrees Scorpio, 20 degrees Taurus, 23 degrees Taurus, 18 degrees. These are perfect aspects here. 17, it's on the cross. It's forming a perfect cross here. Okay? This is doing this one, hitting from here. This one's hitting from this angle. And then this progressed moon is sitting here at 45 degrees from Saturn and Neptune. How many messages do you have? You got 3 witnesses to the most violent and worst planets you could have. Okay? I mean, it's really remarkable, you know? Whew. And you're not just dealing with the planets, you're dealing with the signs of death. Scorpio, house of death, the 8th house. You know what I mean? You're dealing with a malevolent. Remember what I told you about 24 degrees Taurus? You know, one of the worst malevolent places in the zodiac?
Yeah.
Told you that before in the other chart?
Yeah.
Look where all this is. Right there, within a degree of that point that I told you about. Algol, the worst place in the zodiac there is.
24 Taurus.
Yeah. There's another one, 29 degrees. It's also very evil.
A Taurus.
Yeah, unbelievable.
Really?
Yeah, and it's
But everything Taurus would carry that energy.
Okay, so we went through these, and you know, like I said, you can't make